welcome to my channel. I go by Brittany Sequoia, and I first want to start by saying give thanks for life. With that being said, let's get into this quick video on my DIY Dolce Gabbana acrylic jewels jeans. As you can see, these jeans run a little over 1K. So I'm going to recreate these to my liking for under around $25. After I found the pans, then it was off to Hobby Lobby to look for the acrylic jewels.
I think I want to try with a baggier pair of jeans, and I initially didn't want as many jewels, but I decided to add more, so I'm waiting for them to come. Let me know what you guys think.